Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to download Little Kitty, Big City on your PC. First, make sure you have Steam installed. Steam is a platform where you can play numerous games. If you haven't installed it yet, open your web browser and navigate to the official Steam website. Click on the Install Steam button located at the top right corner and follow the instructions to download and set up the Steam client. Once you have Steam installed, open the application. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Click on Create a Free Account and provide the necessary information, such as your email address and a strong password. After setting up your account, log into Steam with your credentials. This will take you to the main interface. Now, find the search bar in the top right corner. Click on it and type Little Kitty, Big City. You should see Little Kitty, Big City listed in the search results. Click on the game's title to go to its store page, where you can find all the details about the game. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. Once you've completed your purchase, go to the Library tab at the top of the screen. You'll find Little Kitty, Big City listed among your games. Click on the title to access its page in your library, and then click the Install button. A window will appear, asking where you'd like to install the game on your PC. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The game will start downloading automatically. When the download is complete, you'll see a Play button in your library. Click it to launch Little Kitty, Big City. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.